Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing well. And today in this video, I'm going to discuss about medibuddy domiciliary valid cash, which is 6,000 rupees, which will be valid for 1 year. This video, we will see how to utilize those cash and when it will be expired. But before moving into the video, if you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Coming back to our topic, as we know, as part of our health insurance policy in TCS, they will credit 6,000 rupees domiciliary cash every year, which will be credited on April 1st and they will expire on March 31st of that year. That means they are valid for one financial year. So now a financial year end is ahead. This year 6,000 rupees are going to be expired. Previously there were many cashless products and medicines. We could able to order them by using this 6,000 rupees domiciliary valid cash. But now they have removed those cashless products and medicines from that medibuddy list, and they have mandated the prescription to order medicines from the medibuddy. We have only two options to use those money. So to utilize this money, we have if we have any health problem, then we can consult a doctor online in medibuddy, or we can book an appointment with the doctor in a nearby network hospital in your area. So we have already made a video on this, how to book a consultation with the doctor in your nearby hospital. So if you haven't watched that video, go and watch. I'll give the link in description. That consultation fees also will be deducted from our domiciliary valid cash. And once we get the prescription from the doctor, then we can upload that prescription in the medibuddy application and we can order the medicine from medibuddy. And now another case is, we don't have any specific health problem and we don't want to consult any doctor. Then should we let them expire? No, we can still utilize them. Even we don't have any health problem also, it is very good to have a full body health checkup once in every 6 months to diagnose any abnormalities in our body. So in that case, we can utilize this valid cash by booking a full body health checkup in medibuddy application. So for this, we can utilize our valid cash by booking a full body health checkup in medibuddy application. To use this, we have two options. Home sample collection will be there and lab visit also will be there. So we can choose our option and we can book a full body health checkup. So these are the two ways how I utilize my valid cash. So that is what I wanted to share with you all. So what are you waiting for? Go utilize your valid cash and the way you want. If you still have any doubts in booking an appointment or booking full body health checkup in medibuddy, then you can comment below. I'll try to answer your queries. And if anybody have other ideas to utilize this valid balance, then please comment below. It will be helpful for others too. And thank you for watching this video. If you feel this video is useful, then please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more information.